Hello guys, welcome back to day 25 of our 30 days React 0 to Hero series. And today we will be discussing about navigation. Let's get started. So most of the website consists of multiple pages like home page, contact page, about page, profile page, etc. So to implement that, I have created one navigation component. Inside this, we will create one component called navigation. Here I have created 3 anchor tags. They are navigating to home, about and contact. I'll give some style also like this. Let's see on our front end. So as you can see, we have home, about and contact links. So whenever I'm clicking home, it is going to home. For about page, it is going to /about, and for contact, it is going to /contact. Let us grab the path name. So we'll create constant path name equal to window.location.pathname like this. Also we'll try to console it also. Let's see on the front end. So whenever I'm clicking home, it is going to /, then on about, it is going to about, and on contact, it is going to contact. Also, I have created home component. It is showing just the home page. Also the about component and the contact component. Let's render this in our app component. So I have written one condition. If path name is equal to /, then it should render home. If it is about, then it should render about component. And if it is contact, then it should render contact component. And I have imported this component here. Let's see on our front end. So as you can see, whenever I'm on home page, it is showing home page. Whenever I'm on about, it is showing about. And whenever I'm on contact page, it is showing contact page. Also in console, you have noticed like whenever I'm changing the path, our whole component is getting re-rendered. So whenever I'm clicking on contact, it is re-rendering. Also on element section, we can see I'm changing the path. So you can see DOM is getting created from the scratch. Though our navigation component is common between all 3 pages, still this navigation component is getting unnecessarily re-rendered on every page load. And that is the limitation of our React library. So whenever in interview, if anybody asks you like what is the limitation of React library, then you can tell React library cannot handle route changes itself. So we need to rely on external library like React Router DOM, and that we will see in our next video. Bye bye.